Alright, welcome back to Toontowntrainer, where we're opening up the 151 packs, if I cannot kick my camera, of 151. Let's get her going. Don't forget, well, if you haven't seen me, which you probably haven't, I'm giving away a Blooming Waters 151 premium box to when I get 100 subscribers. And sorry for the last video, I am out of center. I'm trying to make sure. I'm new at this. Give me a break. Nidoran, Gold, Snorlax, Bill's Transfer, and a Flareon. Soft sleeves for those. Can you move that one? Code card. Pikachu! Farfetch'd. Okay, we're just gonna start going through these quick here. Oh, nice. SIR? No, that's gold. I don't know how they label things. Sweet. That's a nice card. That'll get a hard sleeve, please.
Jesse.
Yo.
You gotta be more center like that.
Okay.
Just
sorry, we're trying to, yeah.
Just let me move the camera when you're doing it.
We're trying to get this professional. Somewhat professional here. Not really. We don't like professionality. We like organic. We don't like that though. Come on.
Ooh.
Give me some good hits here. Don't make my wife leave me. Please.
There we go.
Golduck, War Turtle, Chansey. I already got this one. It helps having trouble keeping up. I'm getting quicker at ripping packs. Crack them packs. Come on, it'd be so nice to pull a God pack. Protective Goggles, Execute, nice. Venusaur, one of my favorites. That'll get hard sleeve. Please, sir. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Get out of here. Yep. Muck, Rattata, another one. That's like two. Hey, I am a sucker for these. I love the hollows, hollow energies. Put that in the sleeve, please. Next pack. This is an arduous task, but it's what I set out for. Because I had the discipline. Mewtwo. Yeah. Here, I'll start handing you the hollows and reverse hollows, and I'll start keeping most of the bulk over here until I have a little pile of it to hand to you here. Oh, what should we open up after this? Pinsir, Meowth, Nidoking. Stack them up, boys. And after this, we'll take a short break and choose which set is next. I almost nailed my bro that way. Take your eye out.
You weren't any good at basketball, were you?
No, never. I remember back when I actually did play basketball, because school made me. I think the only thing I really remember was constantly blocking my crush. And she called me out on it too. It's like, why are you always blocking me? Like, because I like you. And I'm a child. Come on, give me a God pack. Another chancey. Getting all the hollow energies.
Yeah, I like the whole.
I do too. I really do. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just basic.
Oh, where's it go?
Muck, Charmeleon, Alakazam. I haven't pulled a single Charizard yet. And I'm already like 12 packs in. What's that? What's that? That sounds like my wife leaving me. That sounds like the door opening.
Bye.
Car started up, yeah.
There you go, one in.
I got a couple in so far. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Caterpie. That's a nice Caterpie. Oh. That's an SIR. That'll get a hard sleeve, please, sir. Caterpie. That's a nice Caterpie. Man, I love the art of the new cards. I really do. Yeah, I really love the new arts. So many different artists, so many perspectives. Gotta enjoy it.
Why don't you hand that over
I
to
missed.
me?
And what?
The packaging.
I don't know. I'm just piling it up at our feet. Krabby, Articuno. You know what? I don't have my microphone plugged in again. Oh, I'm so smart. I'm good at this recording thing. Hopefully that's working now. And we're good. That's better? Do I sound better? Hopefully. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm bad at this. I'm sorry. You're a BHB. We're sorry. Grabber, Ekans, Jolteon. I wonder how close I'm going to get to completing this set. Probably nowhere. Oh, I still got one more here. Still recording, still going good. Am I in the center yet? Am I doing something right in my life? Because I haven't been doing this very good right now. Come on. Ponyta. Alakazam. That's a good one. I'm pretty sure that's a good one right there. Toss that in the hard sleeve right away. As I was just complaining about not having... Here, let me show it to him. Let me show it off. Nice. That's a nice card.
Let me see. I guess I can see after.
Yeah, just as I was saying, I'm not getting anything. Next stack of 15.
EX.
Oh, missed the garbage.
Again.
Wonder what my hit rate's gonna be. Another Caterpie. Okay, cool. I'll take that. Not gonna complain. I'm gonna have to see how much all this is worth. Send off the PSA or to PSA. See if we can make some money. I'm gonna be keeping a lot of these too because I love these cards, man. There's another hollow energy, please, sir. Hopefully I'll get the whole set of those. And missed. How long is it going to take me to get one in? Or take out my brother's eye? Wigglytuff. Okay, yeah, hopefully that mic is recording. I'm just gonna... Yeah, looks good. Hopefully I got everything set up right. Once I get used to doing this, hopefully I can...
the power's plugged in.
No, I wasn't even trying for that one. Come on, let's give me a gird. Give me a gird pick. I need a gird pick. Do 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 do. Some chill music. Hopefully that's coming through okay. Daisy's Hope, Doduo, and a Jinx. Boring. Code. Oh, that was way off. Missed. Now thanks, keep prepared. Giovanni's Charisma. That's not the one we want. And a Marowak. Another Steel Energy. How's that? Sort of centered. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna need a drink soon. Ivysaur, Mewtwo. Nothing fantastic. Wow. I'm bad at this. Okay, I gotta get rid of some of this bulk. Some of the bulk needs to go in a box somewhere. There we go. How much of the set will I get? With 151 and 151s. Oh, that one just will take his eye. I'll hit one or the other. Electrode, Paris, Articuno again. Boring. Oh, I think I want to evolve. I think I want Evolving Skies. Yeah, I think I want to open my Evolving Skies after this. Dragonair, doing something. Nope. War Turtle, Zapdos. I got so many of those because I bought so many of those boxes. Get back there, Onyx.
You don't want to throw it in the good box.
No. I'm trying to hit the garbage. I'm not doing very good. Oh, let's give that away before it. Oh. I'm sorry. Guys are just my cleanup right now. Articuno. Nice. And a Fire Energy. Gotta wear the gloves in case I get that God pack. Get that God pack. Come on, give me that God pack. Come on. That's not a God pack. Come on. I'm seeing a lot of the same cards now. So, yeah, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be choosing one of them to give that Blooming Waters collection to. So like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. Gonna try and have steady content because YouTube likes that, you know. Please, YouTube, don't shove me into the back. I need something to feed my crippling Pokemon addiction. My job isn't cutting it anymore. They don't pay me enough. Gengar. Yeah. What did you say about us?
Yeah.
I keep knocking my stand too. Stop doing that. Sorry. Stay. Oh, that was so close. That almost landed on the edge. Scyther, Charmeleon, Dome Fossil, Psyduck, Alakazam, Fighting Energy. That's got a mark on it already. How dare you? How dare you? Oh, that one too. And last of the second stack of 15. Come on. There we go. You do not fight me, pack. I rule you. Hey, I got that one in. Rigid Band, Rattata, And Machamp. Machamp is one of my favorite cards. I've always liked Machamp. I've always wanted the first edition holographic Machamp base set that everyone seemed to have except me. Because I was too busy trying to sell chocolates for Pokemon cards. And I didn't do very well because I was a little fat kid and they didn't like buying off of little fat kids. Next stack. Oh, yeah. Okay. God pack, come on. Uh-oh, my glove's ripped. I need a new glove. Nurse. Grimer, Golbat, Leftovers, Persian, Erica's Invitation, Ghastly, and another Chansey. I've got so many of those Chanseys now. That was one of the reasons why I didn't have 151 packs, because I opened one of those. Where am I going here? Let's re-glove. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting all sweaty. I'm getting nervous. Oh! How did they do
you're
this?
at the point where it's just gonna stick and
Yeah.
all the time.
Uh-oh. How do they do this? How do the doctors do this?
Wipe off your hat.
Nope.
Just
I only need
I'll
the
tie
end.
it up.
I just need the end of the glove. I just need my fingers covered, please and thank you. That is holy. Okay, good enough. Oh, that'd be so nice to get a God pack. Or anything really good, to be honest. Grimer, another Machamp. Missed. I'm sad now. So how's everyone doing today? Leave me a comment, tell me how you're doing. What your favorite set is. If you like watching videos like this. I like watching PokeRev, all that stuff when I got time. I really got back into Pokemon with Pokemon Go, actually. Back in 16. Started playing that again, and I started picking up packs here and there. You know, one pack every time I went to the store. And then I decided I don't like constantly sorting through binders and stuff, so I'm just gonna wait until I have 1,000 packs. And then I didn't realize how hard that would be and how long it would take me. And then I started spending more and more money because it kept getting more and more expensive. As we see with the latest set,
And
Prismatic
now you're
Evolutions, which I don't know if you can see up here. No, there's some Prismatic Evolutions up there. I got 40 of the Japanese, and I could only get my hands on an ETB of the English set and the binder collection. And yeah, I'm just not willing to pay the prices that everyone's charging right now. That's ridiculous. I'll wait for it to be printed out some more.
You paid enough for
Yeah.
1,000 packs.
Yeah, no kidding. And who knows how that's going to turn out, because a lot of these packs, like the Evolving Skies here, are getting expensive for a booster box of those. Okay, almost Star Psychic. That's a nice one. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, man. I'm sure I've gotten so many of those Dome Fossils. I feel like every pack has a Dome Fossil. It's like a Pidgey.
It's like a Pidgey.
So I heard that they have stuff to scan packs now to tell what's inside. I don't know how. There's another Caterpie. Can I get something other than a Caterpie in an SIR, please? I mean, it's a nice card. But, no, something else. Please. Please. My wife's gonna leave me, man. My wife's gonna leave me. Will I show her this video or not? No, don't go looking for it. No,
Yeah,
don't worry about it.
Once it gets onto the internet, you don't have a choice
Yeah.
in whether to show it or
Ivysaur, Ninetales. Whoop. Missed.
Quit throwing.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Charmeleon, Vaporeon. Pidgey. It's a Pidgey.
Yeah.
200 Pidgeys. No, actually, yeah, I think the Pidgeot in this set is actually really nice looking too. If I can get something other than a Caterpie in it. Nest. There's Voltorb, Krabby, Parasite, Giovanni. Nidoran, Diglett, Jolteon. Okay, I just keep knocking this stand, don't I? I gotta be aware of my presence.
See,
My
that's
fatness.
why you have to have someone looking at it.
Oh, I can kind of see. Helix Charizard. That's a Charizard. That's not the Charizard I want, but it's a Charizard. What am I looking for in this set again? Yeah, Charizard. Not that one, though. I want the one in the canyon.
That's that one.
I want the God pack. This pack feels a little weird. Is this more cards?
You're running out of 151s.
No, I'm not nearly running out of 151s. This is only the second, third? I don't know what I'm at. We're just gonna fire through them. How many? Whoa, whoa, whoa! That was close. I'll just set that right there, and then it'll smash the next time it happens.
Yeah, I never thought about that, eh?
Oh, well, just don't drop the camera again. Weedle, and not really? Are you serious right now with this? Caterpie. Okay, it was good the first time. It was cool the second time. It's no longer getting cool.
That's a nice Caterpie, though.
It is a nice Caterpie. It's getting a lot less nice. Caterpie. Caterpie. Golem. Okay, it's not a Caterpie. We're good. That's nice. We'll take that. Hard sleeve,
gonna
please.
start being golem now.
Oh yeah, those Caterpies you can hard sleeve too if you didn't. No, whatever. Later then. Those ones, yeah, like when they look like that, throw them in a hard sleeve. Upside down code card. Vulpix, Magmar, Caterpie, Caterpie, Magmar, Electro.
Caterpie.
Next,
Pidgey. It's like Pidgey.
you know what? Let's get this Japanese pack out of the way. I got one of these. That doesn't count. Nidoran, Squirtle. Okay, that's Pokeball. Spearow. Machamp again. Throw that Pokeball one in the sleeve. Yeah, they don't have those in the English set. No, whatever. I'll just stack up 30 of them. Whoa.
You got
What? Yeah, don't worry. No. The one that it has a Pokeball. Let's see. This one. See the Pokeballs on it? Missed again. Daisy's Help, Dragonair, Slowbro, Breedrill. Oh, nice chill music. When am I gonna freak out here? Am I gonna get a freak out moment? Here's open. Squirtle, Victory Bell. Hey, look.
Cool.
That's the one you were looking for. Ditto.
No.
Didn't you want to pull a Ditto?
No, it'll look like a Squirtle, but it'll be a Ditto over top of it.
I have no idea what that one is.
It'll be a Ditto underneath, and then it'll have a sticker of another Pokemon.
Missed again.
Only in the Pokemon Go.
Oh, it's the Pokemon Go set. Gyarados, Dragonite. Come on. Missed. Execute. Fairy, Machop, Porygon, Grabber, Kingler. Sandshrew, Seeking, Almastar. Good gauge of how well this set hits, I guess. Maybe. Not really. I can't open 1,000, 10,000 packs like them rich people do. That looked weird for a second. Yep. Mr. Money, Kabuto, another Ditto. At least we're getting something different. Yeah, I'm curious to see how much of the set I will finish with this. I wasn't even trying. Horse, Ditterad, Abra, Arcanine, Tentacruel, Snorlax, Charmander, Wartortle, Chansey. Chansey again. That'll be the next one that I start hating.
You're just gonna start hating everybody.
Yeah, pretty much. Nothing that isn't what I want. Give me what I want. Come on. No, stop sticking. Charmeleon. Chansey.
You're gonna hate all of them except Charizard.
Yeah. Probably. Chansey. Here comes another Chansey. Haunter, Tangela, Moltres. Do. I actually, got that one in. I'm getting better. Sign me up, Toronto. I'm not. Yeah, I don't even know, man. I'm not a sports guy. I'm not a sports guy. Raptors, that's who it is. Trying to think.
I guess it's only the Raptors left, eh?
What do you mean only the Raptors left? They're the only team in the league? Hey, I'm getting better.
Vancouver,
Like 20 years ago.
yeah, Vancouver had a team.
Poliwag, Electrode.
Something like this.
What, there's no NBA teams or what?
No, there's no. Vancouver had a team, but yeah.
Code card. Whoa. Oh, that was a deadly one. Trio, Squirtle, Cubone, Marowak. Pidgey. Oh, I'm getting better at that, man. It's like 3 in a row. Magnemite, Victory Bell, and a Mew EX. And you can toss that in the hard sleeve. I don't know if I have that one yet. It's not that great, but I like it. Code card. 4 in a row. Look at me go. Tentacle. Almost out of her.
Toronto, sign me up.
Yeah. I'm sure I'll do good. You can trust me.
How much better I'm doing.
There's another stack of her cases. knows this? What's my jig? Oh, I lost my streak. Sand slash Magma Jigglypuff Ditto. Whoa! No! That was the good pack. Broken now. PSA 9. Yeah. Ah, I'm losing my touch now. Prime and Magnetite, another Jinx. Nothing special. I'm getting better. We're getting quicker. We're increasing speed here. Yeah.
See.
Tangled Coffee, Persian Muck, Cycling Road, Daisy's Help, this cute Flareon. Hoo hoo ha. Hoo ha. Come on. How long will it take me before I actually get a good hit here? Like a really good hit. I think Alakazam though. I think that's a good one. Really? Okay, that's a, and I hit the camera again. Sorry. That's a nice one. Yeah, throw that one in hard sleeve. Jinxie. Okay, I guess if you start seeing a lot of doubles of the reverse hollows, you don't need to put those. Oh, nice. Okay, finally starting to get some stuff here. Beautiful. That is also one of my favorite Pokemon's Poliwrath. I always wanted one of those too. I got one now. It's not a base set, but it's the Evolutions version. Hard case, please. That's a nice one. Oh, code card. Missed again. How much are we? We got 30, 60, 75, 76 left to go after this stack is done. Plenty to go. Plenty more chances for me to get nothing. Vileplume. Oh, there we go. See? Look how pretty those are. That one spun nice. Thank you. Meowth, Persian Mock. Daisy's Help again. Jolteon again. Next pack. I hope everything's still recording well. Looks good, I think. I actually have my microphone plugged in this time now.
Yeah.
Bill's transfer.
Third time's the charm.
Yeah, apparently. Throw that one in a hard sleeve, please. Code card there. How long has this been going for? 30 minutes. Man, I hope I have enough memory on my phone for all this. Gotta zip through these. Hop, hop, hop. Hop 2, what the heck? That one looks weird. That one also opened weird. Just get straight to the hollows now. Just gonna go straight to them. Get this done. Huh? Code card. Flippy flip. That didn't end up where I wanted it to. Why do these look weird? Goldeen, Flareon, Water Energy. Little Marowak. Staryu, Gyarados, come on. It's been a while since I got a Caterpie. Yeah, nothing but Caterpies now. In every set. Even the ones that don't have them. Starting to get sad again. Where's that rush? Where's that rush? Oh no. What have I done? As Anakin would say. Well, that was a terrible toss. Muck, Nidoran, Chansey. Chansey. Again with the Chansey. The gloves make this difficult-ish. I'm out of stacks. Next stack. Oh, almost out of clear. The soft ones? Okay. I think they're in that box right there, actually. Whoa, that one I opened like a butcher. Top. Yeah, the... Go! Yeah, there should be more sleeves, I think. They're right here. It's this guy.
Oh.
I think. Is that where I know? No, those are hard sleeves. Yeah. I like that Raticate. I think that's the first one I've seen of those. What is that? Why does that feel weird? This one feels weird. Why does this one feel weird? Somebody giving me fake cards? Rip it in half.
Yeah, check if it's real.
Rip my glove again. Keep wearing through. There's sleeves and stuff. Those are not sleeves. That was a miss.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll find some in a bit.
These are sleeves.
Whatever, use those, I guess. Didn't really want to use the Prismatic Evolutions one, but check this box. Check the one underneath it then. Parasect, Magnemite, Flareon, Normal Energy. There we go. There's all my sleeves. Caterpie. Caterpie. What is with all these Caterpies? Is that the only thing we get in Canada? Or what? Caterpies. Careful. Oh. And around Moltres. Go through and get the prices on all these later too. Oh, sounds like the kids are home. Ivysaur, Weezing, Psychic Energy.
Where? There it is.
Score. Come on. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
What?
Just the one I wanted out of this set. That beauty. And I know that one's worth a bit. Yes. 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 Finally. Exactly what, well, not, I wanted a God pack. I'd still take a God pack. Oh, I definitely wanted the Blastoise. But I'll take, please, and thank you. Maybe. Oh, Alakazam, SIR. No, the Silver Stars. What are the Silver Stars? Silver Stars? No, those are just illustration rares. That's what they are. I have a hard time keeping track because I'm slow. What all that stuff is. You keep changing them on us. Come on, Mr. Mom. Mr. Mom. The Juggalo. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Can I get a whoop whoop out there? Could have at least got one from somebody in here.
Whoop whoop.
Dragonair. Nidoran. Ditto. Ditto on the Ditto with the fire energy. This feels thick. Maybe I'm just really hopeful that I'm going to get thick packs or something special. Whoop. Look, Pidgeot. Aerodactyl, that's a nice card. My ears just started ringing. Maybe I'm about to pull a nice card. Come on, that's what that means, right? Take signs. Huh?
Somebody's talking about you.
Yeah, well, I thought I was pulling a good card. I could still be hopeful. Trio. And I'm glad I pulled that Blastoise. Maybe now the wife won't leave me. I got something I could submit to PSA. Holy. My ears really started ringing. Come on. Right on. Right on. I need one more. Beauty. That's the SIR Award Turtle. Almost got the full evolutionary line. That's kind of blocking me. Most of my shots. That's the excuse I'm going to use. Next stack. We'll add that one into there. 16 in this one. Pikachu. Stay. Yeah. Nothing. I wanna be the very best. Please make me some cash. Come on. Oh, there we go. We're starting to warm up here, people. We're starting to warm up here. Hard sleeve. That's another one of the big hits. Vileplume. Vileplume? Are you?
Oh, that's Venusaur.
Yeah. And like, you should know that. Come on.
Well, I didn't even look at it.
Look at it.
I just saw the flower.
Yeah, I guess if you saw that, I could see. Maybe thinking Vileplume. Another beautiful card. I love that one as well. We're missing the Charizard though. I've just about got all of them. Need the Charizard. Come on. Oh, another Blastoise, but Just a regular illustration rare. You can sleeve that guy too. Hard sleeve him. Oh. Oh. We're coming close to the end of the stacks. We're more than halfway through. And we haven't pulled a God pack. Nah. Come on, brother. Help me out. Just a little bit. Not asking for a lot. Just a little God pack. Something. Anything. Charizard. I'd like a Charizard, please. That'd be nice. Code. Whoop. Wow, that one was across the room. Oh, we still got so I barely touched the corner of this table. We got a lot to go through yet, boys and girls. Yeah, we should have plenty of sleeves. Jeez, this is gonna be a long video. Thanks for sticking with it if you're here. Keeping with me. Cracking packs. Subscribe, like, comment. Booyah. Another one. We're making some money, boys.
What?
Another Blastoise.
Oh.
I did write down all the prices of stuff in my ETB books. We could probably check one of those. Oh, they're sticking together or something here. Another Vileplume. Nothing special. Come on. What are the chances of a God pack? I don't even know. I think they're better than trying to find a shiny in any Pokemon game, though. I look like an illustration rare in the back there. I saw no. Once again, just being hopeful. Oh, that's 2 packs. I'm not that good. Start opening 2 at a time. Code cards. I also got like a big stack of those code cards. You know, if anybody wants them, I'll pull them out and I'll scan them for a video. Because yeah, that's going to be like a whole video. Or yeah, probably just make a short. Just throw all the code cards real quick.
You're almost done the 151.
Well, I still got 30, 45.
Well,
A little over 45 packs, yeah.
Considering what you had.
Yeah, I'm past 100. Come on. Yeah, I'd love to get that Charizard, though. Also the starters. Oh, there you go. Nice Psyduck. S-I-R. Who doesn't like Psyduck? Come on. Everyone's got to love Psyduck. Toss that in my hair sleeve right away, please, sir. Oh, and then I get to go and organize all of it. That should be fun. That should be another 5 hours. Probably longer. Who am I kidding? That's going to be a while. Oh. Nothing good. Yeah, Evolving Skies is coming next. Because I am been very impatient on opening that one. Well, no, I haven't been impatient. I've waited patiently. I do not lack discipline. Every once in a while, though, I slipped up a little bit. Had a crack attack here and there. I'm only human. Come on. Need to get the fix every once in a while. Jeez, I've gotten a lot of Vileplumes, man. Next deck, please. You know what? We're gonna move Onyx out of here. Move him back here. I'm just gonna start. Pikachu stays. Okay. Still recording? Everybody was still good?
So good.
Why isn't this one counting? Oh, it is. I'm just stupid. Oh, no. No.
What?
I'm not recording sideways here. I think I can flip that, though. I'm pretty sure I can flip that. I really hope I can flip that. I hope this whole video isn't vertical, because it's recording vertical right now. Arbok illustration rare.
It's recording, bird.
Yes.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Just hold on a second.